guys, welcome back to another Dummy Tech Talks. Today we will be replacing the pull chain on a fan. It's an older Hunter fan. It's a pretty easy thing. We're just gonna knock it out. Shouldn't take very long.
You guys ever end up pulling your pull string all the way through?
Like this one.
Yep, there it is. Instead of, throwing away the whole fan, that still works because it won't turn off.
Less than $10. We'll put the link in the description. Easy fix.
Easy fix. Of course, there's $20 fans out there, but why do that when you spend half the price, cutting prices in half?
Let's get to it.
First off, you need a screwdriver.
You need a screwdriver. You take these two screws off. This might be too small of a screwdriver, but we're gonna find out. Nope, it's perfect. Look at that. Whoa. Got it. Got it. The end of the fan. Here, actually, I can show you on this one. So it's this little thing. It unscrews the silver part. It holds the switch inside the fan housing there. So you gotta unscrew that on the original one, and you'll want to probably go ahead and do it on this one so you don't forget for later. This one is obviously a little different. It's all black. The one we have now is black and green. We did kill the power before doing any of this.
Yeah, do that.
Flip
Safety first.
Flip the breaker. So there are 4 little symbols. Some are numbers. There's an L, and then a 1, 2, and a 3. And on the new one, there are the same corresponding numbers and letter, the L. So we just want to plug those into the new switch, the exact same as this one. So first you have to get this apart or cut the wires. But it looks like it does come apart.
Yay.
Heck yeah. Just a little different. Alright, and now we just take all 3 of these off. And actually, since it's completely broken, I can really break them. Bending them up a little more than they should go, since it has to be.
Try not to blind him here with my light.
I appreciate that.
My phone light.
Alright, and that's the first part. Well, the original switch. All the springs just went everywhere, but that's okay. We'll clean that up after.
Yay.
So on this one, this new one, has a similar mechanism where it holds it together. These 3 green fingers, I guess you can call them, go in and snap in over the top. I'm going to get those apart real quick off camera, and then we'll just jump to me hooking it back up. Alright, so after you get the first one off, make sure you know which wires correspond with which. I know for this one, number 1 is gray, which is this one right here. We're going to push that into the number 1 slot on the new one, just like so. And then number 2 was brown. We'll be pushing that into the number 2. Done. Green was 3, which is all the way up top over here. And there's a black wire right here. That was letter L. Number L.
Number L.
There we go. I'm gonna put everything back in here and we're gonna test it out. We can actually test it before we
put it all together, yeah?
Yeah, full cord through here, so it'll at least be ready to go. Put the little metal cup on the outside, put it back on, screw it on, and that is, again, what holds the whole mechanism in place in the fan.
Look at that.
All right,
It clicks.
We're gonna turn the power on.
Here we go.
The fan was, there's no way to turn it off, it's not hooked up to a switch, so it might just start spinning. Alright, things are on.
Hey, look at that. It's alive.
Yeah.
And it's
high,
working.
high, medium, this is definitely low, and then that would be off. There we go.
It's fixed. That's it. Let's just put the cover on. Push everything back up in the hole.
Yep, pretty much, that's the plan anyway. Before we do that, I'm gonna cut the power again.
Good idea. Safety first, people.
Yeah, I don't feel like getting electrocuted if a wire comes loose. There we go. That's out of the way. There, I think that's it. That definitely only took 1 try.
Yeah.
As far as you know.
And it's fixed.
Just like that.
Let's leave the pull cord low. Small.
Yeah, I agree. That way it can get hit. We'll turn the power back on and make sure it still works.
It works.
That's high.
It works.
It's working. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That was just replacing the pull chain in a Hunter fan. It's kind of an older one. I'm sure they're all pretty similar.
Gotta be.
I did not look up instructions or anything before doing this.
We winged it
That
as we
was
went.
yeah, and it was real easy. Just a couple of minutes for someone who did not know what they were doing. Works fine. No exposed wires. Definitely cut the power before you start it. We have the breaker
Yep.
that we flipped, so there was no possibility of electric shock.
We don't want that.
No, we don't.
It'll be funny for you guys, but
Yeah.
kind of painful for us.
Yep. If you like that video, give us a thumbs up and share it.
Share, share, share.
Hit the bell so you know when we release more content.
And that's it. You guys have a great time. We'll see y'all next time on Dummy Tech Talks.